Hi everyone. Very happy Dashera to all of you. I still remember my childhood days when we used to make an effigy of Ravan. If any of my cousins or my siblings are watching this, I just want them to know that I really, really miss them and the fun times that we had and the long discussions and plannings that we used to do as to what crackers would go inside the body of Ravan so that it is the fastest and the best blasting Ravan that anyone could actually see. And as my son turns 3 in a month's time, now is the time for me, I guess, to introduce him to our religious festivals and traditions. So, I have actually formulated around 6 or 7 activities just around this particular Ravan sketch that I had hurriedly prepared for him, and I'm going to describe them all to you right away. As you can see, this is a very simple sketch of Ravan that I prepared from some of his foam and felt toys that I had. And what I did was just draw a circle using a small plate and created rectangles for the crown, and for eyes I used small coins, and for semicircle I used a round shaped disc that we had, a plastic disc, and for mustache I have created nose mustache. I have used rectangles and triangles. uh, this Ravan face that you see right now is actually a mask, and you can use it. First of all, you can color this particular Ravan. I can show you the actual print that we have. This is what my son is going to color today. I will show him the mask and I'll ask him to color this based on this mask. And he has to fill up the colors, although he's not very fond of coloring the right way, but I'm sure this colorful glittery mask will show him how to color this, and the prospect of using some glitter paint will attract him towards painting it the right way. Then I have made one more activity for him based on this mask, which is small, medium, large activity. Um, this is a small face that I have scanned and printed. This is medium, and this is the large face. Again, I have kept ample opportunity for him to explore colors and paints, and he can actually paint them the way he wants. Then there is one more activity which you can do. You can make you can paste one of the faces on a used cardboard or a hardboard sheet and cut the pieces off of the major features of the face, and you can actually do a size and shape matching activity like this. And this is how it will look. For eyes, this is how it will look, and these eyes can have a dramatic effect. Here these eyes are looking down, then you can do one this like this, then there is up. Then you can just, you can make them play with this for a long time. Then one more activity that we did was creating a half print. So one option is you create another half. For a little older children, you can create another half using dots or spaced lines and ask them to complete the picture. Or you can actually use a paint to paint this, and once the paint is done, just fold it up like this. There will be an impression here, and they'll be amazed to see the impression. So I would suggest you use acrylic colors which are a little slow to dry, and then you can actually paint the mirror image here, and you can actually see that this particular activity will interest a slightly older children as well. Then okay, now for the suspense part. Actually this particular mask is a part of his school presentation that I am doing as part of parents contribution. So this is how this mask has shaped up. You can see that I have left these deliberately blank. I want the children in the classroom to color them up, and then we create an effigy and we actually play with it. So everyone will sit across the table and color it together. Based on the this mask, they have to color the remaining faces, and this is how the mask will look actually. In case you're wondering, this is how the mask will look. This is how the mask should look. I have used shoelaces to tie it up, so that the instead of elastic, my son prefers shoelaces, and we are going to have lots of fun with this Dashera activity that we did. Apart from these, it also becomes a counting activity wherein he has to count how many faces Ravan has. So we count it again and again, and so there is impression, there is coloring, there is shape matching, there is single mask, there is counting, there is full mask making, there is size sorting, then there is some impression painting or a mirror image drawing, and of course there is role play. So I'm sure that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Very happy Dashera to all of you, and thanks for watching this video, and hope that in case you wish to download the free printables, they are available in the blog, and I'm pasting the link below so that you can find it out easily, and have a great day ahead and have happy vacations. Thank you. Bye bye.